What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Griddle Grub. Today we are going to be making a massive, just big, fat breakfast burrito. Let's check out the ingredients and get it started. So we got some pork chorizo. We got some shredded pepper jack cheese. Got a bunch of bacon. We got these big bad boys. These big burrito shells. Gonna make some good stuff. We got some veggies. We got onion, green pepper, jalapeno. We got yellow and orange bell pepper in there. And then we got some hash browns. These are the frozen kind, nice and easy, the way we like it. And eggs. And I think that's all. I don't think I'm gonna throw anything else in, but yeah, let's get it going. All right. Let's get a little oil down. I'm running low on oil, but we should be all right. I'm gonna start off here. Let's start off with these little hash browns. These things take a little bit to cook, so let's just get them going first. Let me see. I think this will be good. That'll be good for us. Let's get this chorizo going. Just gonna plop it on down there.
Oh. There we go.
Alright, wash my hand. Alright, so let's get this stuff cut up. There we go. Little chorizo. Alright, let that go. Let's get this bacon going. I'm going to keep that on the same side too. Alright. So, I don't know how many pieces we got. We got a bunch though. Get it going. And I got all the burners on full blast right now. Alright. I don't want to put the bacon too close to the hash browns because get them all soggy. Nobody likes soggy hash browns. Yeah. Gonna have to move some stuff around. Alright. Yeah, wet one. Alright, let's see what we got here now. Alright, bacon's done. Move these hashies down here a little bit. Always best to keep them low anyways, because that's where it's hotter. That's cooking up. The chorizo is looking good. Oh yeah. Gonna have a little chorizo flavor on the bacon, it looks like. Alright, so that's good. I'm gonna throw the veggies up top here. Move these down a little more. Put a little oil down. Alright. We got the jalapeno. Onion, green pepper, yellow, and a little bit of orange. There we go. Alright. Let's get that up. Ooh, yeah. Put a little salt and pepper on the veggies. Not too much. Not too much. Alright. Smell it. Smell that jalapeno. I might have actually got a spicy one. There we go. Alright, well I'm going to let some of this stuff cook up a little bit. Like, I don't know, let it cook up a few minutes and then bring it back and show you what we're working with. Alright, so let's see what temperature we're working on here. It's about 415 over here, about 400 over here. Alright, there we go. Let's flip some bacon. Ooh. Nice. Alright. There we go. There we go. That's looking real nice. It's not cooking that fast up here. It's nice and cool. So let's move some of this bacon down a little bit. If I can grab it. There you go. Yeah, them three are looking real nice. Alright. Flip up this veggies. You know what? I'm going to turn these burners down a little bit. These were on full blast. These are on medium high over on the left. Alright. We're looking good. Ooh. Alright, let's move this bacon up here. You know what? Let's get rid of some of this bacon. We have an abundance of it up here. Alright. There we go. Alright. That's good. Alright. Chorizo is done. I'm going to put that over here. Get a little bit of that grease off there. There we go. There we go. Oh, lost some. Alright. Now, let's get going on some of this. Oh yeah, that piece is just about done. I'm going to get another plate ready for that. These three are done for sure. Oh. There we go. All right, let's get these three pieces off. Come on. There we go. Put you right there. Move these down over here. Get ready to make some eggs. There we go. Let's keep them good up there. Alright, let's see what's going on with these. Hash browns, these are looking good. Oh yeah, move them over there a little bit. You know what? I'm going to put the bacon over here. I'm going to turn these two on low. Let's do that. Get a little bit of that off. Just going to put that right there for a hot second. Now, let's move these hashies over here. Oh yeah, these are cooking up real nice. Nice. Alright, let's move this bacon. Oh, that one's done. Drop that off. Flip these. Oh yeah. Alright. Veggies are looking good now. I'm going to turn all the burners on low now. Yep, all the burners on low. The eggs is the last thing that I'm going to be putting in. And yeah. Alright, and then we did add a couple Serano peppers over here. You know, that's always a standard. Alright. Let that stuff go. I'm going to have to figure out how to do this. I'm going to separate some stuff. All right, so let's get some eggs going. Let's just make sure these are staying good. And they are. All right, yeah, let's get some eggs going. I'm gonna put a nice little hole right there. Just gonna pour some of these eggs. Theirs a little different than mine, so it's all gonna be separate. There we go. Good on that. Now I am running a little hot right now. I think the griddle's pretty warm, hotter than I would like to do eggs, but yeah, it's like 400. I would prefer like 300 or so, but don't always get to pick what you got. All right, a little salt and pepper. All right. Ooh, yeah. Now I personally like a little browning on my eggs, because that's how you know they're for sure done. And I love a little crustiness. Alright, so these are done. Just gonna move them over. I got these. I got the middle burners are off now. I'm gonna turn this left one off too, because we're all done with everything. Just gotta put this burrito together now. Alright, let's throw this big tortilla on. Let's let that go for like, I don't know, 5-10 seconds. Just want to get it warm enough, make it nice and pliable. And here, let me open that. Okay. All right, so that's good. Oh yeah, I put a little oil down before I put the tortilla down, just because always gives a little more flavor. All right, let's get that out of there. Get it on a plate. All right, I need to invest in some bigger plates. All right, so let's start off with some egg. Yeah, I keep the eggs on top of the spatula because it helps it from cooking too much more. All right, we got some egg there. Now let's go with some bacon. Couple pieces of that. Go with some cheese. I'm gonna be adding more, don't worry. Let's go with some chorizo. Let's go with the hashies. Yeah, it should be good. All right, let's go with chorizo. A little bit of that down here. Oh, baby, that's looking good. All right, now a little bit more egg too. Go. All right, got the chorizo, everything. Put a little more cheese now. So there. Boom. All right, let's try and wrap this thing. This is gonna be tough. All right. Ow! Got me. Boom. Just like that. That is a big one. All right. Got a little burn though. All right. Let's put this thing on the griddle. Warm it up. Get that little crustiness on the bottom. And then we're good to go. Burrito done. Yeah. All right. Ooh, that is big. All right, let's just cut it. All right, this looks good. Ooh, it's gonna be hot. Man, I got everything in this bite right here. I got some hash brown, veggies, bacon, chorizo, cheese, eggs. I got it all right there. That's amazing. You got to put it down. After you fold that thing up, you got to put it down. Get that crust on there. That's what makes it for me. Well, everything inside it makes it, but that finishes it. Them eggs are so fluffy. Perfect. Cheese, just pepper jack cheese. Gives it a great creamy taste. There's nothing bad about this. I'm gonna go eat my breakfast, y'all. Appreciate you coming along. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Demolish that thumbs up button. And yeah, let me know if you want me to cook something. You know where I'm at.